Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pupil Teacher Education. I hope you are doing well in your studies. So let's start today's session. In previous sessions, we have discussed about concept, importance, objectives, mechanism and techniques of teaching writing and the spellings and why the students are making mistakes in writing spelling. So in today's session, we will discuss about nature and the process of writing skill. In a language, when we speak, we produce sounds. To indicate the sounds, we use phonetic script and we use sound symbols. And while writing, we use alphabets that are graphic symbols. So, when we write, we use graphic symbols that are letters. We combine letters related to sounds and form words. It means we use written symbols to form words according to the sounds, and then words are arranged properly to structure the sentences. Then the sentences are organized in proper way in a paragraph to communicate our ideas. The writer may have so many ideas, thoughts to share with readers. So he or she combine those ideas in a proper sequence and arrange them properly by drafting, revising and by editing the written material. So in this way, the writer represents his thoughts, ideas in a written form and able to communicate with the readers successfully. The writing process includes 6 steps. The first is generating new ideas for writing. Here you need to have some topic for writing. If you have certain topic, then you can start your writing. So here you need to think about some topic according to your interest or need. So the first step is to find or generate ideas for writing. The second step is drafting. Here you think about what points should be included in your topic, and here you can make a list of points that should be included in your writing. And with the help of those points, you complete your writing task. The third step is editing. Here you read the written material again and again and check every word and its grammar. If you find any mistake, you make correction. The fourth step is modification. After editing, you modify your writing. It means if you find that something is missing in your writing, you can add that. And also you can remove certain unnecessary things you have included in your writing. Then again you revise your written material. You reread it and make some necessary changes and then make a final draft. The last step is presentation. Here you need to present your topic in front of others. Here there are 2 ways. One is graphic presentation and the second is oral presentation. In graphic presentation, you should make use of bold, italics and underlined words, the size and shape of letters. In oral presentation, you present the topic in front of others. All these are 6 steps which are followed in the process of writing. So, in next session, we will discuss each step in detail. I hope you enjoyed this session and the session will be beneficial to you in your teaching English writing. So, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.